Hello and welcome back to ARBS 2022. My name's Sandra Rossi from Climate Control News, and I'm here at the Teco stand with Troy Evans and Trevor Francis. And Troy's going to tell us a little bit about Teco.
Thank you, Sandra. Teco is renowned for engineering performance, and our air conditioners are no exception. We have a system to suit all applications, and here's Trevor to tell you more as to why people are turning on to Teco.
Thank you very much, Troy. Okay, Trevor, what are you going to tell us about?
Hi, Sandra. Well, we've always been very strong in the ducted area, and we're now adding some new R32 ducted to our lineup. And Australia is a very harsh place. You know, the temperatures that we have to deal with, both in heat and in cold areas. And so we've done some things with these to make them available to use in temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius, which is really, really high. But also, if somebody's going away in a very cold area, they can set the unit to stay at 8 degrees inside. So while they're away, nothing freezes in the house, like their fish tank or anything like that.
Right.
But also, we've made the units so much more accessible to the installers, which is really, really good.
That's important.
Yeah. And we've continued to add protection for vermin protection, things like geckos, frogs and what have you, right?
Wow.
So
Great for the outback.
Yeah, definitely with our R32 ducted systems.
That's great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Trevor. And what about technical support?
Technical support, we've always been very, very strong with our technical people in our Sydney office, but also our business development managers in all the states. We have very good access to things that we can support people with, like like an installer manual that's easier to read than some of the ones that come from factories. You know what I mean?
So that's why installers have been so interested
Yes,
in your products.
Definitely.
That's terrific. And what other products should we be checking out while we're here?
Also, we've, believe it or not, we've reintroduced the skinny air conditioner. And the skinny air conditioners were always really strong for Teco, but they got knocked out with the previous MEPs because they were fixed speed units.
Yep.
But now the new ones are inverter units, and I've got to tell you, they are really, really good for anybody that's in a rental situation where they want to install the air conditioner themselves and it doesn't come out the back of the window. Really, really good for us. Okay.
Well, that's important. So very good for apartments and high-rise?
Yeah, high-rise, anywhere where there's multi-stories and
Yep.
what have you, yeah. We've always been strong in the split area, and we'll continue to with our splits, right, with no issues there. And even with the basic window wall units, the window rattlers, as they call them,
Yep.
we've always been very strong, and we'll continue with those. One very exciting thing, but moving forward, probably about November, I think we may be one of the first people to introduce an inverter portable air conditioner.
Wow, there you go. We've got an exclusive today here at the Teco stand.
Because the running costs of portables can be a little bit high,
Yep.
but having an inverter will make a really, really big difference for that.
Absolutely. And when will they be available? At the end of the year?
Yeah, fingers crossed. I think we should see those around about November, you know, which is really, really good.
That is.
Okay.
Well, that's some exciting news. Come and drop by the Teco stand and get all the latest news on their new releases. Thank you.
Thanks very much.